Sustainability is kind of a choice, first of all. You can choose to believe, this isn't real, or you can say, this is something real and we need to deal with it. That's the choice we're making. We see it as the key opportunity, and if ignored, threat for the whole chemical industry, really. And for us, we've been working on multiple different pathways to how to make sustainable carbon black. And to be clear, a couple of those have been dead ends, but a pathway is emerging for us. There's gonna be some speed bumps, everything else, all true, but we're gonna get there. We see the way, we're committed to it, and we are gonna be rewarded for this. There's huge demand from our customers for it. So if you wanna be a part of that, if you care about this, if this is something that excites you, then we're a good team for you.